Saiasmi, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today we are gonna do something exciting. So today we are gonna build a calculator app. Isn't that great? So well, you must have known from the title, but let's just begin. So I'll just minimize my screen. Okay. So I've opened my Google Chrome. So I use Rappelt as my code browser. You can use anything. I'm using Rappelt. I had to first make my account and select all this. So I'll make a video on which you can make sign in Rappel. Then what do you want to do, right? So I'll just create a Rappel and I'm making my this from Python. Now I need the name as calculator. Now, so what will a calculator app do? We will ask two numbers from the user who will use our app, and then we will get whatever he has given a number. We will add it, subtract it, divide it, and multiply it, and get the output. So you're gonna learn one thing new. So you're making a variable a and int input. Okay, enter a number. Okay, so see what will this line get. Over here we'll get a input and we can give any of the number. So now let's understand this line. It's saying a is equal to int input enter a number. So you must have guessed that input is like, so it's giving it like something like that. So let's see what is int. So we are giving here int that whatever the user will give the output, wait, like we have run. So it means like if the user gets a letter or something, so it will get an error. But so we want only number. We want only number now, because you can't add a letter to a letter, right? So you'll give a number, then only it will run. Okay, so that int means that we want only number, nothing else. Then is input. What will input do is like you can say, let me think. Yeah, so input is like is if you're it's like you're giving a question to the user who is seeing this app. You're giving him you're asking him to do something. So we had said input enter a number. So it will enter any number, right? Now let's just copy this line. Okay. Now so we have made two variables. Wait, and you will. So now we made two variables. So if we do like enter a number, we have entered, and then another number, right? So now we have got two numbers from the user. Now we need to add. Okay. So let's say how will we add this? We will just do print you will do print addition and then A plus B. So what will this line do is see 4, 5. So addition. Oops, I forgot to give this. 1 second. Yeah, now it will be better. So, oh my. So I'll just do big this screen. So 4, 5 addition is equals to 9. Okay. So oops daisies. Come on. I thought I lost my code. No. Wait. Yeah. So, what are we doing here? We are saying like we know that these two lines are we are taking input from the user so now we are saying print addition. So from you're giving this in these parentheses, right? In these whatever these are called. So you're giving addition is equals to. So it's printing this. It's printing addition equals. And it says A plus B. So first it will print addition and so it will first print addition equals to and whatever number the user has given in A and in B, it will add it and then get the output. So we had the first number the user gave was 4 and the second time the user gave was 5. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. So first it as it is added, it got addition is equal to and then it got the output. Now let's just quickly copy this. So command V. Oops, daisy, I by mistake pressed 1. I'll just stop this. Now, so first we got the addition. Now we want the subtraction. So we just need to like change the symbol and the wording. Subtraction. Oops, yeah, A minus B. Now we want to multiply. Multiply. And we will give this asterisk. I told you in before video also, my previous video, that the star is known as asterisk, and if you do in numbers, if you do mathematics programming, this star will understand as multiplication, and here is division. Oh god. Division is equals to. So, and we can't forget to just, oops, we forgot to give the comma. And we just have to give the division sign. So let's see the output. Let's play a game. So we say run. So enter a number. Which number should we add? Let's give 2. Then 2. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. And 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And in division 1.0. So guys, isn't this cool? We have already made our calculation app. Just for a little bitsies, let's just do one thing. So, enter. Now let's say print. Oops. Print. And let's give loads of spaces. And give here calculator app. My calculator app. My calculator app. You can give it anything, whatever you like. Now let's run this code. So it's getting my calculator app as the heading. Okay, now you'll just give a number, another number, so it will get correct. Right, guys, in this one. Now before we end my video, let me say, so we are saying print addition a plus b. So why are we giving this and addition equals to and subtraction equals to in these colons, right? So it is because we want that if we will not give these, then how will the user know that it is adding, it's subtracting? It will be confused, right? He or she will be confused. So that's why we are giving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that this is the output of addition, this is the output of subtraction. Okay? And then we are not giving these a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b and a divided by b, because if we will give these in colon, if we will give these in the thingy, then it will like just print a multiplied by b. So it will make no sense, right? We want the output, not a multiplied by b. He will be like, oh, it's a Boeing. What is it getting? This is not a calculator app. So that's why we are not giving these in these colons. That is why. So guys, I really hope you like the video. And you can play with this as many times as you want. So I'll enter with number. Let's say you can give as big numbers you want. Let's give a very big number. And again a very big number. See, is getting the output, correct output. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel. Oops. Yeah. So guys, I really hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and I will be soon uploading a video how to make your account, how will you open this and all that. Okay? Thank you guys so much for viewing this video, and I hope you have also made your own calculator app. Bye, see you soon, and I will just share the link down below so that you can play with my app. And if you're making this app with me, I will feel very good if you share the link in the comment below. The comments are opened. So guys, I really hope you like the video. If you did, smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like, and subscribe my channel, Telex Photo Kids channel and my brother's channel. It will be in the featured channels. Okay guys. Wait a second, what's happening? Yeah, much better. I don't know what just happened. It's my voice started echoing, Well, it's okay. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If it is, smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. And Tennis for the Kids channel and my brother's channel. The it will, if you will open my channel, my profile channel, my profile photo, then in down you will, if you'll scroll, you will see featured channels. So you can subscribe Tennis for the Kids and Saiasmi Gupta's channel. So guys, bye. See you soon. Stay safe, and I'll be soon uploading my how to make your Repulse account and all that. Bye. Do share your link of your app. Bye guys. Thank you so much for viewing.